Alright, just going to do a quick video on this Romanian M74. Now this one is not mine. I am holding it for a friend to ship it out overseas to Fiji. But this one is the one with integrated hood. I believe Romania still uses these to some extent. I don't remember to what extent, but yeah. So it's just a M70, or regular M74 with a hood attached to it. These masks are made out of, what was it, neoprene I believe, which is unusual. Well, unusual for a relatively modern mask I believe, but it makes sense. I think it's a product of the Romanian oil industry, and yeah, it's just easier, more affordable for them to make it out of this than it is to make it out of natural rubber. They don't have a source of natural rubber. They can't shred up dandelions like the Russians and Soviets used to. So, oh, the chicks are being rather loud. Annoying. You've got some chicks. Still, they're getting quite old, but we're not here to talk about them. So on the inside, you've got your nose cup. You've got your little catch thing, the XL valve. Your lenses, which are poly. I think they're layered plastic, I believe, like triplex type stuff. Very soft nose cup. The rubber in this is all very, very, very soft. So much softer than Western style neoprene, which tends to be, when I think Western style neoprene, I think of like World War II masks mostly. There were lags made out of neoprene, and there were M2, M3 face pieces, M4 face pieces. Or did they switch to grey class rubber? I don't remember at that point, but it's very hard neoprene, whereas this is the softest, some of the softest rubber I've ever felt. Let's see if I can get a better picture. Not really. Well, it's got a peripheral seal. It's a copy of the German M65. Well, not copy, it's got a few differences, like the 6-point head harness, which is an improvement, but it has a tendency to pull hair. Pull hair worse than Soviet or Russian masks. So, yeah, and there we go. If you noticed earlier, the facepiece rubber is green, but it's black out here. I believe that's due to sun damage. Not really much to say about it. I believe these are Stanag threaded, which is interesting. Romania doing its own thing away from the Warsaw Pact. So, yeah, it's got a little strap thing down the bottom, so you can tie it closed. I believe it was for heavy decon. Anyway, that's it. Romanian M74 heavy decon variant. Alright, there we go.